Here's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It's well equipped with features you need: IntelliLink voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.